Repairing a damaged wall can be easy, and in this video, we'll show you how to repair various size holes in your drywall. First, you need to choose the right product. ProForm Quick Set Lite is a lightweight, easy-to-sand setting compound that hardens quickly and is suitable for repairing all types of drywall, plaster walls, and ceilings. It also allows for same-day decorating. You can also use any ProForm ready-mix joint compound, but allow for 24 to 48 hours to dry before sanding and redecorating. For most repairs, setting compound would be preferred. Before repairing, you'll need gloves, a taping knife, utility knife, mixing container, small towel, sanding tool, and a repair mesh patch. First, if applicable, prep the area by removing any wall anchors from the wall. Remove any loose drywall using your utility knife and wipe away the dust. For holes that are larger and go completely through the drywall, a piece of mesh fabric will need to be embedded in joint compound after cleaning the area. The mesh allows the initial coats of compound to form a solid surface over the hole. Apply joint compound to the hole with a taping knife. Pull your knife across the damaged area until the area is covered. After it dries, sand the surface smooth. Next, add a second coat of compound and allow it to dry. Then sand again and wipe with a damp towel to remove any dust. Congratulations! You just repaired your drywall and it's ready for painting and redecoration.